And get ready. Man, we've got some heat, especially for early October this week.
Early to mid-June is when we usually see highs in the low to mid-80s. It's early October. Yeah. We're going to see highs in the low to mid-80s.
The whole week, pretty much.
Wow.
The warmth continues from the month of September, but we're going to back off the extreme wetness, all the rain that we saw. We'll look at the stats in both of those for last month. Still waiting on sunrise, obviously, but at least you can see the big blue building downtown. We have limited issues with fog this morning compared to the dense fog we had at the end of the last week and even in the early part of the weekend. So that's good. Here's the fog, the visibility. It's down in Harlan, Monticello, a little bit of fog up by the river toward Louisville and also out towards Ashland. So that's really about the extent of it. And for today, we will see, even though there's nothing to track on the Max Track this morning, a chance for a few showers and thunder showers around. Most of the action is either north or south. We're stuck in the middle, gapped between the rounds of active weather. The predominant storm track right now is up north, though. You can see quite a bit of rain across Michigan. And then you've got some snow flying northern North Dakota up into Canada. And the active storm track is up to our north. So you can see you've got this stalled frontal boundary. You have these waves of low pressure that are running up along that front. You've got a ridge of high pressure right off the Carolina coast down toward the mid-Atlantic. This is a pattern that's fairly reminiscent of what we usually see in the summertime with that ridge southeast and everything just running up and over it. And we're mired in the warm and at times muggy air mass. So our summerish pattern continues here in early October. No fall feel to your forecast anytime soon. Future track does show very limited development, but into the peak heating of the afternoon, that'll be our trigger today. The possibility of maybe a few showers and thunder showers developing and then diminishing after the sun sets. The coverage won't be much, but if you're working outside, look out. Now tomorrow it's going to be more of the same, some scattered showers and thunder showers into the afternoon. 65 degrees now. The dew point's right at 60, so the humidity is going to start to creep up on us. The wind's out of the southeast at the moment. It's going to become more south to southwesterly. That'll allow the humidity to rise a bit, and you'll start to feel that mugginess after that just almost idyllic weekend that we just went through. Back to this warm and muggy reality. It's not incredibly muggy, but enough that you'll notice it later in the week. So a couple of days worth of limited shower and storm development, then we're just all about the warmth. What I just told you, our average high for this time of the year, 73 today, falls to 72 tomorrow. We're a good 10 degrees or more above that all the way through the 8th day. And if you look back to last month, no surprise, our average temperature put us at the 8th warmest September ever. It tied with, I think, 3 other years. And our rainfall, there was no tie there. That was the wettest we've ever seen, 10.42 inches for the month. A time of the year, well, September is typically our driest month with under 3 inches of rain for the entire month on average. So that should tell you just how wet it was. And you know, partly sunny. Watch for isolated to maybe a few showers and thunder showers developing this afternoon. Highs right around 80, some low 80s, mid 60s tonight. Slightly better chance for some scattered showers and storms tomorrow with highs down in the upper 70s briefly, and then we're creeping back up into the low to mid 80s the rest of the week. Not much in the way of any shower or storm development beyond that. So just a whole lot of un-Octoberish heat heading our way.